Good evening, everyone. Our top story today is about the Michigan Supreme Court's decision to allow Donald J. Trump to appear on the state's primary ballot. This decision comes after a series of legal challenges.
That's right, Tom. The court's ruling upheld an appeals court decision that found Trump eligible to be on the ballot despite concerns about his attempts to overturn the 2020 election.
But there's more to the story. Just recently, the Colorado Supreme Court ruled that Trump should be removed from the state's 2024 Republican primary ballot due to his role in the January 6 attack on the U.S. Capitol.
Indeed, Tom, this Michigan decision is seen as a win for Trump, but it's important to note that it didn't address the core questions of his eligibility. It leaves room for future challenges.
Trump wasted no time in responding to the news, posting on his social media platform, Truth Social, emphasizing the need to prevent election rigging.
Ron Fine, the legal director of Free Speech for People, a group seeking to disqualify Trump from the 2024 election, pointed out that the Michigan Supreme Court's ruling was narrow and didn't settle the insurrection-related disqualification issue.
Michigan's primary is scheduled for February 27, and the question of Trump's eligibility is likely to reach the U.S. Supreme Court, as similar challenges have been made in over 30 states.
This challenge is based on Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which disqualifies individuals from holding federal office if they've engaged in insurrection or rebellion against the Constitution.
It's worth noting that a lower court judge previously ruled in Trump's favor, arguing that disqualifying a candidate through the 14th Amendment is a political issue, not a matter for the courts.
That's correct, Tom. Judge James Robert Redford of the Court of Claims in Michigan made that ruling, and it was echoed by a lower court in Colorado before the Supreme Court there got involved.
And Judge Redford also emphasized that Michigan's top elections official doesn't have the sole authority to exclude Trump from the ballot, adding another layer to this legal battle.
Michigan Secretary of State Jocelyn Benson has urged for a quick decision, considering the deadlines for printing primary ballots and absentee voter ballots.
That's right, Leslie. With the primary ballot deadlines approaching, this case is under a time crunch.
In the end, it's expected that the U.S. Supreme Court will have the final say on whether Trump can appear on the general election ballot in Michigan.
This legal battle has been closely watched, as it has implications for Trump's potential candidacy in the 2024 election.